Hello friends, today I will show you how to repair your damaged battery uh, which have no power and no connection. If you try to charge that battery on your phone using your charger, it can't charge your battery. Okay, if you connect a charger on your phone, it can't show anything, nothing to show on display, okay. Now I tell you how to repair this battery. First of all, we need a auto charger, but we need only auto charger catching, not any circuit. So I remove that circuit from auto charger. Now I remove this, all connection remove from charger. Okay, and now we need a 12-volt adapter. Connect the adapter on auto charger casing, plus or minus connect. Now I connect it on auto charger catching. Okay, okay. Now this time we have to connect battery on auto charger catching. Okay, keep in mind, plus or minus connection need connect clearly. Minus connect equal to minus connect, plus connect equal to plus connect. Otherwise your battery can damage fully. Okay, okay, it work when in my adapter, when battery connect with two line, my LED signal goes down. Okay, if you view it on low light, you can understand. It works, and now we have to wait sometimes to charge battery. Okay, battery charged. Now I can test it on my phone. It works. Oh, it works. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe my channel and keep smiling on your face.